I know we're gonna make it, cause we got through all the struggles and the storms. Yeah, see all this took was patience, perseverance and loyalty and love. We're on, now welcome to the Cruz family. Happiness and love, abundance of love that goes to you from us. The Cruz family. Happiness and love, abundance of love that goes to you from us.
Cruz family!
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
And today what we're doing is we are reviewing and unboxing Keurig.
Yay.
My wife is actually interested in this package because the fact that it does lattes.
Cappuccinos,
And what else?
coffee,
Iced coffee, Jinx. Anyways, so let's get started. First we're gonna open it up. Here we go. Let me take out the top.
Ooh.
See what's in here. So this is actually the cup. What is this cup called?
This is actually what does the froth for the cappuccinos and the lattes.
The frost. Okay. Here, you want me to take out the box?
Yes, please.
All right. Here we go.
And the mussels.
Here we go.
Okay.
Put that in the bottom. So this is exactly the measurement. It does all the frost. All the milk goes in there, I think. All right. The wick. Comes with a wick. Comes a wick. I think the wick goes right in between here. All right.
Oh, guys, I'm so excited for this. You have no idea. I love coffee.
Here we go.
Look how beautiful.
Instructions. All right, we'll leave that for later. Instructions. And what else? We have a lid. A lid that goes on top of here. Just like that.
Oh, babe.
All right. And we're going to have to plug this in, but we're going to talk to you a little bit about the product itself. Can you show them exactly how this thing works?
Yeah, I mean, up here in the top, you have your on and off button. Here you have your coffee, latte button. If you want a stronger coffee, you press strong, and then it has different sizes, 6, 8, 10, and 12, and then it has the shot. And if you press this up top, that's where the coffee K-cups go in.
That's one of these K-cups right here.
Yeah.
Right here, go right in here like this, and boom,
Yep.
you make yours.
And then here's the reservoir where all the water goes. It has a 16-ounce water. And then here is where the froth will go, which is this container
The
here.
frost right there. I think it goes like that.
Yep, and then it has a little magnet in the bottom. So this thing is already magneted in.
What thing?
The wisp.
The wisp? That's the wisp. Already magnet in. Oh yeah, it is.
So
Right in there, look. Check it out, check it out. The magnet's kind of strong. Boom. See that? Doesn't fall. Voila! Look at that. The magnet's right there. It still doesn't fall. Alright, here we go.
And then this just kind of helps the foam coming together. Put it in and that's it.
There you go. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to cut everything off, and then we're going to come right back. First we're going to wash this stuff here. We're going to get the milk, and we're going to try a latte or a cappuccino or something exciting. We can do it together.
Yes.
See you guys in a few. We are back, guys. Alright, so we got everything clean. We have the water.
Yep.
Right? And we have the milk. Alright. And we have the 2 cups that we're going to use today, the K-cups. And we have some sugar. Alright, that's my favorite. So how are we gonna get started? How do you use this thing?
So first we're gonna insert the water in the reservoir.
Okay.
Let's power it on.
We put it in a K-cup.
You gotta put the K-cup in there.
K-cup in there, but don't turn it on, right? Because then it's gonna spill it.
Yeah, you need to put a cup under there.
You want to put this one right here?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna put this one right here. There we go.
The 3 buttons over here. Cold, it's for the milk to stay cold, so if you want to make iced coffee, the milk stays cold, but it still makes the froth. And then you have the latte and the cappuccino button. So inside, you have your measurements. If you look inside, in this cup inside, it has the latte and the cappuccino measurement. So you fill up the milk to where it says cap or latte, depending on what you want to make.
We're gonna have a link underneath, right in the bottom. You guys can purchase it. We're just doing a quick review on it. First time unboxing a product that we actually think is kind of cool. So let's do it.
So you're gonna press latte cap button, shot, and Keurig.
Okay. Shot.
And the K button that's lighting up here. Oh, we have coffee.
There it goes. Oh, that's a lot of coffee right there.
So I mean, it's not like the actual espresso shot.
Now what do we do after that?
Okay, so let's warm up our milk. So we're gonna put a cappuccino, right? So here in the inside, you see it says.
It says cappuccino and latte. I'll show you guys in a few. It's right there. You guys can see.
So fill up the milk until it's
a cappuccino or latte.
Cappuccino, because we made a cap.
Okay.
Right there. Put our lid.
There we go. And then we press the button on cap.
Yep. Makes 2 beeping sounds and then starts whisking it.
Is that it? We'll see what happens now.
I think it's supposed to beep when it's done.
By the way, if you guys are still on the channel right now and watching us right now, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you already have one or you're looking to get one. And our link is going to be down below. And make sure you guys give us a like for giving it a try to open up and doing an unboxing. Giving you know, like I said, give us a like for trying to do an unboxing for the first time. And checking it out. Here we go. I'm gonna let you do the honors.
That's a lot of froth. Mmm.
And that's it right there.
Looks delicious.
I'm gonna let you try it out first. We're about to get the taste results right now.
It does feel very hot. Let's see.
How it tastes?
Mmm.
Tastes good?
It's delicious.
I'm gonna try that out.
You might need more sugar for you though, because you like a lot of sugar.
It's not bad. I'm not even a coffee kind of guy.
It tastes delicious. It tastes really good, guys.
Hey, we approve. The Cruz family approves. Definitely go grab one of these. Amazing. And I'm not a coffee guy, but I'm definitely a latte or a iced coffee guy. When I feel like it. All right, guys. So we are done. Make sure you guys leave a comment to let us know exactly how you feel about the machine. Maybe you already have one or you're looking to get one. And like I said, it's down below in the link. Just press the link and support us. Other than that, subscribe and press that bell button. Join the family. Take care. Like we always say,
we'll be back with more
videos.
Bye, guys.
And we'll grow. see the horizon. Turn us to that